If you want to literally translate my name is, it's mon nom est. Mon nom est. Mon name, nom, is est. If you look closely, mon and nom, it's reversed. So that's maybe a way to remember it. It's funny because in French, O and N and O and M are pronounced exactly the same way. Mon nom. On. Mon nom est. Mon nom est Julien. Mon nom est Julien. That sounds a bit formal though. Well, it sounds formal, but it's used. I would use it. But I would use it, let's say, if I go on a stage. And I would say, my name is Julien to a crowd of people. Mon nom est Julien. Most of the time, like maybe 80% of the time, or maybe more, 90% of the time, I would say, je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je is I. Me is myself. Here it's contracted because the next word starts with a vowel, and appel is call. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Julien. Je m'appelle Julien. So that's the most common way of introducing yourself. Je m'appelle, whatever your name is. Here you can devocalize the E, contract it a little to make it je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. That's a bit more natural. You can say je m'appelle Julien, but most of the people will contract it to je m'appelle Julien. Or you can say I am. It's good to know that, not only for giving your name, but in general, saying I am, I'm tired, or I'm French, I am busy, I am, just remember it, je suis, je suis, je suis. So this is the proper way of pronouncing it. Now, most of the people will contract it, so you can devocalize the E and make it je suis, je suis. You can contract it even more to just keep the suis, suis. Here in North America, people will actually get rid of the I and it becomes suis, suis, je suis québécois. Or sometimes you can even get rid of the U as well and it becomes je québécois, je français, je fatigué. So you can contract it, but the more you contract, the less formal it's going to be. If you want to be proper, je suis, or just devocalize the E, je suis, and it's fine. This is another very natural way of saying it. I would say that it's 50-50 with je m'appelle. Moi c'est Julien. It's a very nice way to introduce yourself. So, moi c'est Julien. Literally, moi is me. Me, it's moi c'est. Me, it's Julien. It doesn't sound very natural in English, that's normal, but in French, this is something that I use as often, if not more, than je m'appelle. Moi c'est Julien. Good to know. So first name is prénom. 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 Mon prénom, my first name. Pré is just like in English when you say pre-something, pre-recording, pre-party, it comes before. Prénom. My family name is mon nom de famille. Mon nom de famille. So, mon nom, my name, de, of, famille, family. My name of family, my family name. Mon nom de famille. Here again, the final E here in de, you can contract it and devocalize it. Mon nom de famille, mon nom de famille, right? We don't really have a word to say last name. Last is dernier, dernier nom. We don't say that in French. We only say mon nom de famille. This is something that you can use if you have a nickname or if you want people to call you a certain way. But call me, mais appelle-moi in the tu form, or mais appelez-moi in the vous form. Mais appelle-moi, mais appelez-moi. Mais appelle-moi, a usual nickname for Julien is Juju. Mais appelle-moi Juju. Mais appelez-moi Juju. So, if you want to form a full sentence, je m'appelle Julien, mais appelle-moi Juju. Je m'appelle Julien, mais appelez-moi Juju. So you can try it with your name. Now, the good thing is that to call in French is also used for when you call someone on the phone. So if you want to say call me, you can say appelle-moi. Call me later, appelle-moi plus tard. Mais appelle-moi, appelez-moi. Appelez-moi, appelle-moi, call me. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.